practical use and application of AI in everyday life is growing at an explosive rate, and Lenovo AI PCs with Windows 11 Pro are here to help you take your work to new heights. These cutting-edge PCs are equipped with Intel Core Ultra processors, which include specialized AI processors called neural processing units. And Windows 11 Pro brings AI features and enhancements that did not exist in Windows 10. From content creation to problem solving, our hands-on testing proved that upgrading to Lenovo AI PCs from 3-year-old devices can unlock digital superpowers. Whether you're using machine learning to tag your colleagues in group photos or to monitor precious resources with a TensorFlow model, investing in Intel Core Ultra processor-powered Lenovo AI PCs can boost AI inference performance. By upgrading, you can also activate AI tools that empower video enhancement efforts and help restore old footage. The 3-year-old models we tested didn't have the necessary firepower and failed this test. The Lenovo AI PCs we tested also delivered significantly longer battery life, which can help legends like you maximize productivity on the go. In addition to these performance and battery life gains, Lenovo AI PCs are touch-capable, ideal in time-sensitive situations, where gesture-based navigation results in faster multitasking. If you're ready to invest in a better tomorrow, this is your call to spring into action. To learn more about how choosing Lenovo AI PCs as your sidekick can help you better handle tomorrow's AI advancements, read our detailed testing reports at principledtechnologies.com.